So what is green screen? It's a simple concept where a single colour, usually green, is used as a backdrop so it can be placed with any background of your choice during editing. This opens up endless possibilities for creating captivating videos. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, concept creator, or just looking to have some fun with your videos. With green screen, you can transport yourself to exotic locations, outer space, or even back in time without even leaving your own home. The only limit is your imagination. Whether you're shooting a music video, a short film, or a fun project for social media, green screen technology can take your content to the next level. Tap on New Project and select your media. Tap on the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. And then select by going to picture in picture, the green screen you want. So you can position the green screen with your fingers. You can move it around the screen, then go to Chroma key. Then adjust the Chroma key, the strength, by selecting the colour you want taken out. The subscribe button was taken from Canva, free piece of software. So please like and subscribe to view more videos. Thanks, bye.